Namaste, Jai Matara, December 4th. So let's see what my cards, moon cards, are going to give you any kind of guidance. So probably you might be thinking like you don't know what to do or what kind of manifestation you have to do, because 2025 have been a very tough year to everyone. The energies are very high and everybody is facing, almost everyone is facing extreme kind of emotions. Can be depression or heartbreaks or anxiety issues. So people are going through all this, so probably you might not have an idea of manifestation would you suggest, would you want to go and do. So let's see if my moon cards are going to guide you to what to do tomorrow. Okay, now this card says you have to make a first move, be bold. Like probably you might be thinking like, because of all those experiences or all those situations you have come through in this year, probably you might feel somewhere insecure and how to take things up, and if you act more, what kind of consequences you have to face. You might be having all this kind of things running in your mind. So if that is the case, this is the message for you. Just be bold and make the first move. So make the first move. Can be anything, can be your career or can be your relationship or your job or any friendships or anything, or you wanted to do something new, probably travel or business or anything you wanted to do. Be bold and make your first move, and that is going to take you really where you want to. Your mind, because of those certain things that you have been facing in your life, and now to take anything new in any other aspect, because of those certain issues that you have been facing, you might be stopping yourself from these kind of things, like taking a next step. So if that is the case, do not worry, do the manifestation tomorrow, do whatever, like whichever the decision you want to take, make a manifestation tomorrow and work towards it and walk towards it, and you will see the success. Jai Matara.